Hello everyone, I'm Akash Singh, your science teacher. So today, as we are going with our chapter components of food. So today we will do some recap, revision for all the videos of this chapter, whatever we have seen. So on the first day itself of this video, we have seen what is nutrients. Okay, so nutrients can be defined as components that are needed by our body to grow, survive, and carry on different daily activities. So this is a perfect definition of nutrients. Actually, what the the term components we are using, components of food, that component is basically your nutrients. And what is nutrients are the components that are needed by our body to grow, survive, and carry on different activities. Then our food contains five types of nutrients: carbohydrate, vitamin, mineral, proteins, and fat. And additionally, water and roughage are also present here. And this is one of your diagrammatical representations about the component of food. And we can see what the other types are. So you can see here. Then next is of the type of food and what type of nutrients they are providing to us. This is one of the most important thing. Why do different food item, what do different food item contain? So this, the part of the content will help you to understand the consuming right kind of food in proportion. Actually, the first thing is that we should not eat everything what comes our way, but we should be conscious about our need as well as the different type of nutrients it contain, and then we should take it. So if a person does not get good food, he feel weak and likely to feel ill. Then the most important question: why do various nutrients do? What do various nutrients do for our body? So each component or each nutrient has a specific function that we will understand and learn in the whole video that I will provide you. So what is the function of carbohydrate? What is the function of protein? What is the function of vitamin? What is the function of roughage? So different things are there. Then in the next video we have seen this organism need food, nutrients to obtain energy, obtain material for growth, obtain material for repair of damaged parts, carry out life processes. I have explained you what are the life processes. All the processes such as respiration, circulation, digestion, excretion, reproduction, control, and coordination are life processes, okay, which help us to sustain life. Then types of nutrients, I have already explained you: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, water, roughage. Carbohydrates main function is providing energy. It is of two types: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates, which is of monosaccharide unit. Mono means simple and saccharide are the basic unit of sugar, or you can say carbohydrate. So it is single monosaccharide. Then next is of complex carbohydrate. These are also referred to as polysaccharide, meaning they contain hundreds or thousands of such monosaccharide unit. Then test for carbohydrate means if you are adding iodine solution to any of the carbohydrate solution, it will turn blue black. If it is turning, that means it is what? It is carbohydrate. In another video we have seen this pyramid protein. So proteins are the most essential thing, nutrient helping our body to grow, repair itself, and all the our enzymes, chemical, hormone, all the things, cartilage, bones, is dependent on protein itself. Test per protein is given here. You have to take mixture of copper sulfate and caustic soda, and if the mixture turns violet, it is indicative of the presence of protein. Then fat, Fat are also responsible for providing energy to our body. In fact, they provide more energy than carbohydrate. The body uses fat as a fuel source. Okay, so you can look at test for fat. Take a small quantity of food item, wrap a piece of paper around it and proceed to crush it. After removing the paper, allow it to dry. If you see a film of an oily patch on the paper when holding it against light, it is the proof of food contains fat. Then again we have seen vitamins. These are definition. Then vitamin type, source, function, and deficiency caused by this vitamin. If the deficiency is present, then this type of disease is caused. So in the previous video we have discussed all these things. See, then again two type of vitamins are there: fat soluble and water soluble. Means if the base of the solubility of a particular vitamin is water, then it is water soluble. If fat is the base, then it is fat soluble. Then minerals, again here is a chart of mineral, their sources, function, and deficiency caused by the deficiency of the particular mineral. So this all thing for now in this video. We have done revision, and in the next video we will move on for the next topic. Thank you. Take care.